I'm going to show you how to install Cami as a web extension. So make sure that your internet is open here to a new page and just type into your address bar here, Chrome Store or Chrome Web Store. And it'll come up with the link right here in the Google search first thing. Click on it, and in the search box for the Chrome Store, I want you to type Cami, K-A-M-I, enter. And it should be the first thing that pops up here. You're going to click Add to Chrome, and then when the box pops up, don't hit cancel, hit Add Extension. And it's going to pop up here in the upper right-hand corner. And if we need to go use it, you see the little puzzle piece? It will be down here. If I want to pin it so that it shows up on my bar, I can hit the little pin, and here it is in the upper corner, and we'll have another video on how to use Cami. So I'll see you in that one.